all, welcome to Economics on the Go with me, Yogyata. In the last video, we tried to understand what is demand. In this video, we look at another concept, another important concept of economics called utility. So we do hear the word utility, we do roughly understand what is utility, but technically in economics, what is utility? Utility in economics means the want satisfying part of a commodity. Every commodity that we consume has a certain power or has a certain quality to satisfy our want, and therefore we consume it. For example, if we are hungry, we eat food. But if we are thirsty, we have water. Because food has utility when we are hungry and water has utility when we are thirsty. So utility in economics means the want satisfying part of a commodity. Okay? Now utility is subjective in nature. That means it's not the same for all. It varies from person to person. It varies from place to place. It also varies from form to form. So when I say it varies from person to person, toys have utility for a little child but not so much for a grown-up adult. Medicines have utility for anybody who is unwell and not for a person who is health-wise fine. Similarly, from place to place, if you go to a cold place, you have utility for woolens. If you go to a hot place, you have utility for cotton clothes, things, cold drinks, things that make you feel better and cooler. Form to form means utility for a person who wants to build railway tracks, then logs will have utility. For a person who wants to use it as fuel, then firewood will have utility. For a student who wants to sit on a chair in his class, he will have utility for a chair. So although basically we are talking about wood, the various forms in which it is available will give a utility to the different users. So utility will have the want satisfying part of a commodity. Now, utility and usefulness are two different things. For example, liquor is of no use, but still it has utility and is important in economics because it's a want. So a person who wants to drink will have some kind of utility for liquor, will have some kind of utility for alcohol. It is not useful. Okay. Similarly, it is different. It is not the same as pleasure. That is, it is different from pleasure. Why do I say this? Because let's say that a sick person, a person who's not well, needs an injection. So there is no pleasure coming from this injection, but it has utility because it will help him get better. So utility as a concept is different from usefulness and it is different from pleasure. So why is utility so important in economics? Utility is very important in economics because it will decide what a person will demand. People only demand goods and services that hold utility for them. Also, they will only demand to the extent to which it holds utility for them. And therefore, this is another important concept while understanding consumer behavior. And therefore, this is yet another concept of economics which you keep hearing over various platforms. I hope I have been able to explain to you the concept of utility a little better, and thank you for joining in. Happy learning. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my video. Thanks again.